Dear friends, greetings to all. I believe everyone is fine. I thank good and Almighty God who cares for us so much. By believing that the victorious Lord who overcame death is with us, we may live the life that God has given us in good manner. It is safe to say that there is no one among us who does not lie. The extent of lying varies from person to person. This behavior can be clearly seen from young children to adults. If someone says, "I have never lied in my life," that is a big lie in itself. When you hear the words that fall from the mouths of some people, it seems that they were born to lie. Many human lives have been ruined by a lie. There are those who destroy so many human beings for selfish gain, for their own survival, and to maintain their status. As the saying goes, he who is a thief for many days will one day be caught. Such people often fall into the pit they dig. We are familiar with a story of a shepherd boy and a wolf. To entertain himself, the boy deceived the villagers 2 times by shouting, "Wolf, wolf." The wolf is chasing the sheep. When the wolf finally arrives the other day, he loses his sheep with no one to save him. This story teaches us that some people can be deceived by lying for a while, but not everyone can be deceived by all the time. Lying breaks trust. Even if you are telling the truth, no one believes a liar. There is a saying about lying: if you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything. Above all, don't lie to yourself. The man who lies to himself and listens to his own lie comes to a point that he cannot distinguish the truth within him or around him, and so loses all respect for himself and for others. In other words, nobody believes a liar, even when he is telling the truth. So, let us take care of ourselves. Don't let hurt anyone, neither being hurt by someone. Let God help us to be a blessing to entire humanity. God bless you all.